ang mas nagpapatibay talaga and the most important, if you love each others. Ayun talaga. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog / my diary. So for today's video, I'm going to show you, I will take you with me. I'm going out dahil meron akong appointment for my manicure. As you can see, yan, mahaba na ang aking nails. See, it's almost 2 months na kaya ganun. Today is November 24, 2023 and it's a beautiful day. We don't have snow. So as you can see guys, mas malakas yung boses ko today because I'm alone here now in the condo. So because my boyfriend, he's not here. He has a meeting somewhere in downtown Calgary. So that's why I'm alone. I just done my lunch. And yeah, I am going to salon. That's my appointment and I only have 30 minutes to go, so I have to be ready. So this is my life, very comfy and walang trabaho. Ayan, mag-asikaso lang sa aking partner. Actually, sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, meron talaga kaming caregiver ng boyfriend ko. But pinauwi lang namin siya na una. We've been canceling our flight kasi naghihintay kami na until maging okay yung situation sa Panama bago kami bumalik doon. So the caregiver, she flew back to Panama. So at para meron ding mag-asikaso sa bahay namin doon at sa property kasi there's a lot of stuff going on there. Kaya yun. And may snow kami kahapon and the temperature was -8, something like that. And then nagpumunta kami ng grocery, we just walked. May car kami dito, but we don't have a driver. Hindi pa ako nagda-drive dito sa Canada, guys. Hopefully sa Panama, makakapag-drive na ako next year. Ayan, that's our goal. Fortunately naman, grocery stores dito is malapit lang. So may mga maliliit na store, meron namang yung pang-shopping talaga na grocery stores kasi we're living around downtown kaya malapit kami sa lahat. So very convenient dito guys. It's only 5 minutes walk going to the salon from our place. So okay, let's go. Ang temperature pala namin ngayon guys is -9. -9, kaya mag-bundled up tayo. Ang lamig talaga. Galing na ako kanina sa labas kasi pumunta kami sa appointment ni Scott in the hospital. So, ayan, alam ko na yung lamig. Hindi ako nagtagal sa labas. Sobrang nanginginig ako kahit sunny day pa siya. So, let's go! So, nakalabas na ako ng building. Ayan. Ito yung building kung saan kami nakatira. And, over there, yung unit namin. That side. Ayan. Maglakad na tayo guys. -9 degrees. Hindi na masama. Ayan. Sa mga nagtatanong if mahirap ba maging partner ang isang taong may disability? For me, sa akin, no. Because yung reason ko is I'm happy. I'm happy with him. And also, ang mas nagpapatibay talaga and the most important, if you love each others. Ayun talaga. Masaya ako with him. To some people, maybe hindi siya madali. Kasi I know someone na they're not very understanding, no patience, something like that. Kaya hindi nila kayang magtagal together with their partner na may special needs, ganun. So, 5 minutes walk lang tayo. And, ang lamig na. Nanginginig na ang aking, may gloves ang aking left hand and the other one is wala. Dahil nakahawak sa ating camera. So, yun. Yan. Hindi rin madali dito sa Canada, guys. Maybe, kung lucky ka, kung fortunate ka talaga na may maganda kang trabaho, yes, talagang masasabi mo maswerte ka talaga. Dito, sipag, tiyaga, yung puhunan mo dito sa Canada. So, marami sa ating mga Pilipino na nag-goal, nag-i-aim talaga na makapunta dito sa Canada. But good luck and sana magbaon kayo ng maraming lakas ng loob at buo talaga yung loob nyo na kaya yung suungin lahat ng pagsubok at hirap sa paghahanap at pagtatrabaho dito guys. Maraming stories. Siyempre, di ba? palagi yan kasama. May horror, may success story, yan, ganun palagi dito. So ako, luckily naman, ayaw nga ako pagtrabahuin eh. Ayaw ako magtrabaho eh, kaya, so, okay, basta, bayad niya lahat ng bills ko, yung insurance, check, yung ganun. And then, love, yun. So, yan, malapit na tayo guys. Thank you sa pagsama. Ang dami kong daldal ngayon. Hindi ko feel masyado kahapon na mag-vlog kasi I feel so sad. Ang pangit kasi ng araw kahapon, walang, madilim, makulimlim. So ngayon, I'm happy. Ang train, tatawid tayo dyan. Tatawid tayo. Stop. Okay, go. So, nandito na tayo. Medyo maaga. Nandito yung, yan yung salon. Nail salon. Sassy Nail Salon. Ayan. Ito kasi yung pinakamalapit dito sa amin. Yan, 5 minutes walk lang siya. We'll see. I'm 10 minutes early. I know. Better than late. Pasok na tayo. Pasok. Hi. I'm back. I'm just a bit early, so that's fine. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so pili tayo dito. I feel like I want red this time. Red na naman tayo. Nire-red na naman ako. Because as you can see, ganda diba? Pink. Ang haba na. Nasasabit na yung kuko ko. Hindi talaga maganda pag sobrang haba. Tapos nagtatrabaho tayo. Yan. So, ayan guys, katatapos ko lang. Ito na, may red manicure na tayo. I just paid $42. Maybe, pag normal lang na manicure, $30 lang. Tapos, pag, kasi nag-remove pa sila ng old nail polish ko, kaya medyo mahal siya. So, $42 lang plus tip. Ayun. Yung, hindi na masama yung presyo guys. Pero I think in Panama mas mura siya ng konti. Yan, tapos ilalagay ko rin pala yung prices nila sa services nila. Pabalik na ako ng condo, pauwi na, and it took 1 hour and 20 minutes just to do my nails. Ganun siya katagal. Hindi kasi siya yung regular lang na manicure, right? This time, hindi ko pinagawa yung pedicure kasi for sure, it takes time. Ayoko maghintay ng masyadong matagal. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much sa pagsama guys, and hope to see you on our next video. My diary here in Canada. Bye! Have a good day everyone!